let's buy some snacks.
Okay.
What do you want to buy though?
Right here, right here, right here.
Chips?
Yeah.
Chips are over here.
The whole wall right here.
Lay's? Doritos?
Sour cream. Cheddar and sour cream.
Hot Cheetos. Limon.
I like limon.
Let's move down. Is this baby too ugly? I feel like I'd look like a boom.
No. Walmart?
Bitch.
Who?
Seriously, that fucking badass bitch over there. Get
The
off
black
shit
woman?
and run her over.
I know. Wait, what did she say?
She said that these were for mentally challenged.
I know. What a
people.
dumb fucking
She's
idiot.
fucking mentally challenged, that nasty ass papaya shit.
Wait.
Wear a normal shirt, then we'll talk. And stop looking like you're fucking writing in these all day, you badass. Alright. Oh, honey barbecue.
What?
That sounds really disgusting.
I know.
Okay, flaming hot Cheetos. We're
No.
going to Mexico. Let's get like
Can you please promise to get me some
weed.
yeah, tomorrow? Promise?
Yes. Okay, what are we having? Okay, I'm backing up. They have these Mexican chips that are good.
What Mexican chips?
They're called like.
Oh my god.
They're not there. Somewhere over here. Then. No.
Ew, where the fuck is Becca? That's what I'd like to know.